Welcome. Let's walk through how to use Together Math. First, click on the Together Math link your teacher posted in Google Classroom. You can write name and date at the top of the assignment. Always start by setting up your equations in the blue given box. You can also make your own given line by typing the word let. Here, the givens are C plus B equals 100 since there are 100 baked goods, and 2C plus 3B equals 240, since cookies cost $2, brownies cost $3, and they add to 240. Try to set up equations even it's not obvious. Here, one of the givens is y equals 2x plus b for the equation of the parallel line. Your givens help our algorithm give you feedback on whether the rest of your work is right or not. Here's what the feedback looks like. A math line flashes red if something's not quite right, and you should take another look, and it flashes green if you're on the right track. To start working, you can either type math, or just use drag and drop by highlighting and dragging what you want to move to the other side. It's also easy to type math. Just hit enter to get a new math line and start typing. But make sure you always include an equal sign. Let's talk about shortcuts. If you right-click and select Calculate Line, it automatically does all the calculations to simplify the line. If you've isolated a variable, like c equals 100 minus b, you can also right-click c in another line of math and use the substitute feature to automatically substitute it. Another shortcut is that you can right-click and select prime factors to turn a number into its prime factors. Once you're ready, you can enter an answer into the answer box. Use the check button to see if you got it right, and you can keep trying if you don't get it the first time. Keep in mind that you won't get full credit unless you show your work. The work required box below each problem shows how many lines are needed. Note that answers can be numbers or text, like infinite or undefined, and they can also be multiple choice. To turn in your homework, click the Submit Assignment button at the top of the page and copy the link that is generated. Now, go back to the assignment page in Google Classroom, click Add or Create, click Link, and paste in the link you just copied from Together Math. Now click Add Link. Then, click Turn In to submit your assignment. You'll see automated feedback immediately, but don't forget to refresh your assignment link again later, because your teacher might have added comments or changed your grade. Thanks for watching.